Hello, friends, and welcome to yet another episode of the Great Indian Cookery Show. You are in this beautiful mall called the Hub in Karen and in this beautiful restaurant called the Mayura. Friends, the Hub Mall in Karen is your one-stop shop for shopping, fun, entertainment, dining, drinking, and the Mayura restaurant is your one-stop shop for good Indian food and drinks. Friends, last few episodes we've been talking about and I've been showing you what the chef prepares, some of the most popular dishes that you can find in Indian restaurants not only in Kenya but across the world. But today is something different because today's dish is one dish that you will not find anywhere else but inside the Mayura. That dish is called the Paneer Lababdar. Interesting name. An interesting set of ingredients, and even more interesting is the way our master chef Puran Singh is going to teach you today of how to make this very delicious dish called the Paneer Lababdar. Paneer Lababdar is what is the dish for today, and quickly chef will tell us what ingredients go into making this delicious dish. Turmeric powder. This is what? Cumin powder. Okay. Cashew nuts. Salt to taste. Chopped ginger. Coriander. Garam masala. Coriander powder. Red chili powder. Oh, these are cumin seeds. Okay. The methi powder, some chopped green chili. This is what? Cardamom powder, some elaichi powder. Okay. So these are all the ingredients that go into the dish. A beautiful conglomeration of colors and Indian spices. And let's see what are the steps in making the Paneer Lababdar. Start by putting some oil inside the pan. Chop about 4 onions, roughly, bay leaves, some cardamom, black pepper, cardamom, bay leaves, and we put it in the oil. Put some roughly chopped onions. A little bit of green chili, one clove of garlic, and some rough cut ginger, and mix all. Now the turn to add the tomatoes. Three tomatoes roughly cut for about 400 grams of paneer, which is cut into cubes. So cut about 3 to 4 tomatoes and put it in the gravy. Let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes on a medium flame. 2 spoons of tomato paste, and time to add some spices. Some chili powder, coriander powder, 1 spoon, a little garam masala, half a spoon, kasuri methi, about 1 tablespoon, and some salt to taste. A little bit of turmeric for color, and now some cashew nuts to give it a heavenly taste. Mix everything. After about 5 minutes of cooking, again put some water. about 200 milliliter of water. And let it simmer again on medium flame for about 10 minutes. The beautiful red color of the gravy emerging now. So friends, as you can see, all food that is cooked in the Mayura uses all the natural ingredients and spices. No food color, no preservatives, no additives. So you get the dish healthy and fresh. Cover this with the lid after putting all the ingredients and let it cook on medium flame for about 15 minutes. Okay friends, after about 25 minutes, you can see the gravy and the tomato mixed with the onions and all the spices that chef put in. Okay, so the pan is now kept aside for cooling down a little, and now we start with the stage 2 of the process of cooking paneer lababdar. Okay, now take an open pan, put some oil, some cumin seeds, some chopped garlic, chopped ginger, a little bit of chopped green chili. Saute till you get a slight golden brown color. Some chopped onions. Heat it till the onions turn slight golden brown in color. Okay, now we are making a sauce out of the previously made gravy. Put it in a blender and blend it to make it a sort of a puree. The beautiful reddish, goldenish yellow color of the gravy emerging. Time to add some chopped tomatoes. Now time to add some butter to this onion tomato mix. Slight chili powder again. A little bit of garam masala. Some dhania powder. 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. And top it up with some jeera powder and salt to taste. Cook it on a medium flame for about 10 to 12 minutes, and this is how the onion tomato gravy on which we added butter will look like after about 10 minutes of sauteing. I can already smell the beautiful masala gravy, and now it's time to put the blended gravy which we had done earlier into this masala and paste. A little bit of water, and you can see the thick paste of the paneer lababdar gravy almost ready, friends. Doesn't it look delicious? Now the time to add 300 to 400 grams of paneer, which is cut into cube size, as you can see, and put in this gravy. As I said, friends, this is not a dish that you will find often in many Indian restaurants. So this is the uniqueness of Chef Puran Singh that he is showcasing today. And I'm sure you will not only learn from him, but also be able to try this dish at home. And of course, you're welcome to come to the Mayura and taste this heavenly dish anytime. So friends, a little bit of sugar to balance out the flavors of the spices as well as the chili that chef had used earlier. So let it simmer on a low flame for about 5 minutes. And a cube of butter to top it up. So the dish is almost ready, friends, to be served. This is equally good if you have it with a butter naan or a garlic naan, or you can even pair it with some jeera rice. Another very popular pair with this dish is lacha paratha, friends. And lacha paratha is an Indian bread that you must taste sometime at the Mayura. Top it up with a little bit of cream. And the dish is almost ready to be served. Time to top it up with some coriander, a little bit of julienne cut ginger. Time to serve this beautiful dish. Whipping cream, some butter, a little bit of coriander on the dish,
this one cardamom powder,
and a slight sprinkle of the cardamom powder to give it that heavenly flavor. So Winnie and Pauline are ready to taste this heavenly dish and tell us how they actually find it out.
One, very tasty. The process was very long, but what I'm eating now, I can say it is worth it. I will try it at home.
Wow. Actually, I thought it was going to be so hard because of all the spices, but it's really nice. It has a certain taste in the mouth that is so delicious. The process is all worth it.
Definitely worth eating.
So friends, this was the dish for today, the Paneer Lavabdar. I hope you will enjoy it, making it as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. So every week, every Thursday, 11:30 a.m. at the Hub Mall in Karen, you will learn a new Indian dish from our master chefs. This is Rajiv signing off. Thank you so much and see you next week.